The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to a new video. Right now we're doing Cardano, and Cardano played out as we expected, and now we are gonna look at what's actually gonna happen with Cardano. It's not playing exactly as Bitcoin is playing, but if Bitcoin goes down, Cardano goes down. If Bitcoin goes up, Cardano goes up. Nonetheless, we also got Cardano video done today, so if you want to Bitcoin done today, so if you want to watch the Bitcoin video, go to the channel, watch the Bitcoin video. That said, let's see what's actually happening with Cardano and this 5-minute chart that we've been doing yesterday on our Cardano video. So we had this triangle forming over here yesterday. It was already on way up, so we knew which side it should break out, but we put this target up here at 1.14, and it hit target exactly as we predicted. So now that this target is actually finished, I mean it's a just 5-minute target, like nothing happened. After that it had some kind of pullback and it continued rising up. Now it's looking like it's gonna go down again. So I'm gonna clean up entire chart. We're gonna zoom out to the daily chart, and we're gonna talk about the prospects and what's actually happening with Cardano right now. Basically, previously, if you have not been following this channel, Cardano has been in some kind of a rising wedge over here for a long time, and it broke on the downside. It retested the rising wedge, and now it's falling down. This big candle here got bought right back up yesterday. That's a super bullish sign, and now we are interested in what's going to happen here on the short time frames. For that, we gotta pull out some moving averages, because we need that. We are below the 10, 20, and 50 moving average on the daily chart, so that's actually bearish. But is it really? Like, the further you go down, the more you can go up. Isn't that what I say? Like, so that might be thing. You can see also on the daily that the dump went all the way to the 100 moving average. That's actually very nice. So we're gonna go and start talking about the daily chart up here, and what is this actually bullish or bearish on the daily chart. As you can see, every time any coin, not just Cardano, but any coin, every time on the weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. Every time on the weekly chart, once the price escapes the 10 moving average, that's the white line, it shoots right back to it, and as it goes up and it shoots away from the white line and goes back to it. So the reason it does this is because the risk of buying on the white line, on the 10 moving average, is a lot lower than buying somewhere up here, right? Although you buy here, then you have to go through all of this phase, like 2 months. This is 2 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is 2 months of consolidation. This is 2 months of pain. This is 2 months of hodling where everything else is going up, right? So the best time to buy is actually on the white line, on this 10 moving average. Right now we are a little bit below it. We went with the wick all the way down here, so all the people that wanted to buy, they bought. All the people that were waiting for the 10 moving average to be hit, bought up here. So I don't think there are many more people that want to buy low. What's gonna happen now is all of these sell walls are gonna be removed, and slowly the price is gonna go up. So now new people come in. The resistances will be easily broken. The resistances will be easily broken. So right now we're sitting right there, so that's very bullish. Now let's look at some indicators, and we're gonna see also that indicators for Cardano are actually very nice. The MACD, we don't know if you're gonna get the bearish cross or not, but it doesn't look that bad. This is normal movement. It's going very close, and then it just expands. The previous week we actually closed at 80, almost 80 level. So closing in the red this week, that means in 2 days, will put this rubber band index down at around some 60-70 levels, which are perfect for further move up. So we want actually this candle to close in red. We want actually this candle to close red. We want Bitcoin to move a little bit more down. Right now Bitcoin is down minus almost 4%. It is going down. It's not exactly looking at following Cardano's movements, but it is going down, and we are hoping that it will. Technically, nobody hopes for something will go down, right? We also want the gain. We also want the gains, right? But for something to move up, it has to move down first, and that's very, very important aspect of trading. You want something to go up, you have to pull it back. You have to remove the weak hands. You have to remove the long margins and stuff like that. And then when all those people out of the game, the price goes up magically, like magic. Shoo! you know, and that's what we're waiting for now, and that this dump is very good. So we want also to close in red, because also the indicators will also reset, got some lower levels, which will give traders a lot better confidence to go long on an asset, right? So the weekly charts looking very good. We want actually to close in red, all of that, and we are below the 50 moving average right now, which is actually a bearish thing, but during the bull market that's not actually bearish, there is actually a positive thing. Right now we're getting support on 100 moving average, so we want to see, and right now we are actually waiting for this last pullback. On indicators on the daily, this rubber band index should be around 50 levels, something like that. Lower the better. Right now sitting at 40 something. If we get another pullback, this might actually go all the way to 30, and that's why actually Bitcoin yesterday stopped dropping, because the daily RSI went all the way down to 30 and then pulled back. But once you pull back, you don't see that, you see the 40-50 levels. But if you're watching it during the day, during the up, you will see that it pulls way low. So the RSI is looking nice, and the MACD here, we got this called bearish cross. We got bearish cross wait, over here once we topped out, and all the way sideways movement. You can see it was bearish cross. It was resetting the both moving averages, indicator and stuff like that, and then we tried going up, and then Bitcoin said nope, not yet, we're going down, and then we got this new bearish cross. This new bearish cross doesn't have to last for next 2 months, because all the indicators are right now resetted. So right now all we're waiting for is for Monday and then go up. And that's the play out, our plan here, play plan. So now we're gonna look at what just a little bit on the 4-hourly chart and see what's actually happening here, because it's not exact, because right over here on the 4-hourly chart, Bitcoin is right now below the 10 moving average. That's the white line. It's actually being pushed down on the white line. So technically this is a little bit more bullish than Bitcoin, but we are not quite there, and I'm gonna show you first of all very important line we have to have up here. That's this one, and you can see here it was acting as a resistance for a long time, up here, down here. It just cannot break. Even here you can see what's happened right now. Today we went all the way up to the line, to 20 moving average, the line, and getting a resistance by the line. So this is some kind of top. If Bitcoin decides to go lower, this is gonna be top. So yesterday, not yesterday, I don't know how long this took, like 2 days ago, this a week ago, we started this dump over here. We were going sideways, right, for a long time, and when we came into this apex, we broke down. So right now we are looking for another of these triangles over here. I don't think it's gonna be like this and then broke down. It's gonna be, I think this is just the top, so we're gonna do something like this, maybe again, something like this, maybe you know, and then it come here at the end and then drop down. The drop point, the confirmation actually comes from all the way down here at the bottom. Although on Cardano it was, I think, a little bit higher than the bottom, maybe something even like this, and then confirmation came up here when we broke up there. So that might be the same case over here somewhere, but we have to wait for the first drop down and up, and then we'll be able to put this line wherever this line is supposed to be, and then we'll find actually where it's gonna drop off or not. But right now the Bitcoin is bearish. We are kind of bearish, and we are looking for these drops. So best case scenario, going above the 10 moving average, going above the 20 moving average, that's the red line, getting above this diagonal line, and eventually getting above the yellow line, that's the 50 moving average. That would be option. Right now we are getting rejected by the diagonal line, and if we start falling below the white line, the 10 moving average, probability is that we should be getting some kind of low. I don't think we're gonna go all the way below this line up here at once. There will be some kind of movement down, then some kind of movement up, and then maybe gonna be some kind of movement down again, because you can see here as well, it goes up down. It makes this zigzag movement. So how this zigzag movement is gonna be, what kind of pattern will be made here, it all depends. But right now we are not very bearish. Long term from Monday is super bearish. Today not so much because of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is right now down. How much is down? 3.75%. It started like being down by minus 1.2 or something like that when I woke up. So it is definitely going down today. I mean, it's not going down today to 45,000, but it's moving slowly down today. So I think that there is going to be like some kind of red day, but you know, the more red days, the better possibility for the next day to be green. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you want to see the Bitcoin video, we have a Bitcoin video every single day on the channel, but without notifications. So if you want to see Bitcoin videos, get updated on what's happening with Bitcoin, because that's very important to know what's gonna happen with your alts. Then you have to watch Bitcoin video every single day, and that video goes without notifications. So come to our Telegram group where the notifications are actually put. So we notify our Telegram members, right now 1,600 members, something like that, that new video is out, and they all can get it the second it goes live. That's it. Also check out the Patreon page and subscribe to the channel, because this bull run is not gonna last forever, and you want to know most about things what's gonna happen. And we on this channel, we know technical analysis, so that might be good for you. And that said, check out the Patreon again, because there we do like 30 coins daily, every single day. We rank them up, like what's good, what's not good. If you have a trouble like figuring out what altcoins to buy or something like that, you just want to know what's topped up or what's finished with consolidation and stuff like that, probably a video for you, probably if you're, it's not that expensive, man. It's like $1 per video per day. That's nothing. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.